for Miss Pia Guayumago. Your question. What?
Address na lang yung pwede.
Your question. What does modern health and wellness mean to you, and how does Owen align?
Thank you very much for that wonderful question. And then first off, congratulations, Doc JP and Miss Ange. And Gwen, happy birthday po. What a great privilege and honor that Doc JP surprised you with this naming the new clinic after you. What's the question again?
Your question. For lang store mo ngayon. Your question. What does modern health and wellness mean to you, and how does it align with your lifestyle? And how is Owen aligned with that?
Okay, I think in this day and age, iba na yung concept natin about modern health and wellness. Before, parang whenever we would engage in some medical procedure, it would always be because we got sick or we got injured. Ngayon, everything is preventive, and we all know that that's so much easier to do than to repair something that's already broken. So, Owen aligns perfectly with that because even before you see problems arising in your health and your wellness, they're already there to address that it won't happen. So, the longer we stay healthy, the longer we stay at our optimum levels, diba? That's what Owen is going to try to do for all of us. Kaya, ako, I'm a firm believer and I've always believed in Doc JP and also the SB Clinic, Miss Ange. Hindi ko na iniintindi kung ano yung mga ino-offer nilang mga treatments or procedures. I have 100% confidence in them in telling them, Doc, ikaw na bahala. Whatever you find suitable for me at this moment, what do you think I need based on the lifestyle I've been living, the age that I'm becoming, and so far, talagang, it's been giving.
Wow, so Gen Z of you, it's giving what, Pia? Complete your sentence, it's giving what?
Hindi ka pala alam niya.
Kaya nga, it's giving ka dyan.
No, it's been giving fabulous results. So, I'm not ashamed to say that I'm already, 51, and I'm still super fit, I'm still super strong. I have very young kids, and that's why. So I have a long way to go when it comes to taking care of my family, and I want to be able to do this in the best way I can for as long as I can. 8 years old pa lang yung bunso ko. So, marami pa akong tatrabahuhin, marami pa akong guidance na kailangan ibigay sa kanila. And of course, let's not forget my husband, of course. I want to be there to support him and, of course, to look great for him.
Thank you for your TED talk. Okay, thank you so much, But I like what you said. Prevention is, of course, better than cure. So before anything else, before tayo tumanda, at least we can, manage everything already with the help of Owen and Doc JP. Next up, Mr. Wilbur Tolentino.